Hey there, welcome back to iOS YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to install Windows on a Linux based computer. The steps are very straightforward and you can use the same method to install Windows from another Windows computer as well. So let's get started. So let me show you with fast fetch that I am using Fedora Linux. Now to first install Windows in a pen drive, you have to use Ventoy. You need to extract the archive, then go to its folder and open terminal there and run Ventoy web with sudo. It will provide you with a localhost link and you can open it in any browser. Now you need to insert a pen drive, make sure that it is more than 8 GB. And after inserting, you can refresh and you will see the pen drive showing here. Then you will need to install Ventoy in it. After the installation is complete, you need to copy the Windows ISO into the new Ventoy partition of the pen drive. After it is copied successfully, you need to reboot and press the boot button of the computer you are using. For example, for HP it is F9. Then you need to select the USB drive and you need to select Windows, then boot in normal mode. Sometimes you have to choose Wiimote if it doesn't boot in normal mode. Now it will boot you into Windows installation mode and you can install Windows from here. The steps are basically straightforward. You just need to delete the partitions in your SSD or hard disk and then you can install Windows there. It will take around 10 to 20 minutes to install, so let's just wait. By the way, I will provide the link in the description for Ventoy and you can download Windows ISO from Windows website. Now when installation is completed, you can remove the pen drive and it will boot directly into Windows. Then you will get the setup menu and setup options as well. So you can set up the Windows installation of yours and enjoy. You can use the same Ventoy tool to install Windows or even Linux as well. Now as I have installed Windows IoT Enterprise LTSC, it will show that in the settings and you can update the Windows version to the latest from updates option. Also make sure to update all the drivers for optimal use. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.